Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to donate in the Eventbrite app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Eventbrite app, and after you found an event or an organizer who you would like to donate, tap on tickets on the bottom, and if you scroll down here you will have this donation option, and on the right in the box where you will see these zeros, you can select how much dollars you would like to donate, let's say $30, and tap on checkout. Then you will have to wait a little. Here you will have to add your name, your email, and after your card number, and you have to accept here the terms. And after you added your card number, then you have to tap on place order, and then you are done. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.